We were coming back from some friends in North Myrtle Beach and decided to cruise Ocean Boulevard to show you what it looks like at night. So we'll take a right off 21st Avenue North at the Breakers and head southward. It's not too busy, being that this is early December, but it's a clear and beautiful night for a quick cruise on the boulevard. If you like seeing things around the Myrtle Beach area, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos so you can keep up with what's going on even on the off season. If you look in the far distance, you can see the newly replaced lights on the SkyWheel from here. You can't see it from here, but just to the left is the Atlantica, Roxanne Towers, and the Ocean Enclave, which is pretty much at the end or the beginning of the boardwalk, depending on which end you start. And there's the Funplex on your right, which appears to be closed already. Not sure if it's for the season or just running on certain days at this point. And there's the Yachtsman, and now we're getting into the thick of it. The hub of where a lot of action like restaurants, rides, and other activities take place. And look at that SkyWheel all lit up like the 4th of July. The last time we videoed the boulevard at night, the SkyWheel was being reassembled, and it looked like this. It was dismantled last year for improvements on its 10th anniversary for upgrades and renovations. Well, look at it now, a bit more illuminated than when it opened in May of 2011. And now it has over 1 million LED lights blinking and shining all around it. Just past the SkyWheel on our left is Plowler Park, one of the many things you can see between the boardwalk and Ocean Boulevard. Right past the light here, you'll find arcades, henna tattoo shops, and small food places where you'll find burgers, ice cream, and pizza. But just to our left is the world-famous Gay Dolphin Gift Cove, which is super big and where you can get just about everything beachy under the sun. There are so many attractions along this boulevard, it's hard to list them all. Like the Mirror Maze, Haunted Adventure, and did I mention the tons of surf shops? It's no wonder so many people come to this boulevard each year. Ahead on the right at the light, you'll find the famous Ripley's Believe It or Not on one corner, and of course across the street is the famous Peaches Corner. Just past the light here on the right was where the famous Pavilion used to occupy, where thousands of people came each summer. And directly across the street from there was the amusement park. Ocean Boulevard has been drawing people, especially teenagers, to the beach for decades. Your great-grandparents cruised here. Your grandparents cruised here. Your parents cruised here. And now you're cruising here. It may not be the same nowadays, but it's nice to remember the good times. Thanks for hanging with us on this short nightly cruise. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos. And as always, keep beaching.